Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Tucked away in a cul-de-sac in a well-established neighborhood in Philippine, Trinidad and Tobago is this large, well-maintained 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-story house with living space of 4,500 square feet for family entertainment throughout. Recent renovations were done to the kitchen and master bedroom. The house is fully walled, comes with garage and parking space for 5 cars, AC units throughout, and a nice pool to relax with family and friends. The land area of this house is approximately 10,000 square feet. It is situated 5 minutes from the Sir Solomon Highway and is close to major amenities such as Gulf City Mall, banks, supermarkets, pharmacies, gas stations, food places, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is TT $5.25 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.